Yes po, H2O. Yes, it is. Everything is made up of
The Super. The Molecularia. The most fantastic ship in the universe.
the molecular activities on how our atoms move.
Experience the transformation of matter in
The
molecular
movements of atoms from the molecular.
in a world of atoms and molecules.
So cute.
And those elements are what we call as the periodic table of elements. And from the periodic table of elements, those six at the top are the six basic elements of life, which is C for carbon, H for hydrogen, N for nitrogen, O for oxygen, P for phosphorus, and S for those are the six basic elements essential to life.
Have you ever wondered about life? Perhaps you have one.
Sige, makira.
Our insects po, they are the first ever creatures to adapt to our environment.
Very planet. Relationships between multiple individuals. The environments that they experience and happen, or the food they consume.
Oh! Ay, hindi mga niya lang ito ko nga rin.
We are without doubt one of the most extraordinary
That is the illustration of theory of evolution or Charles Darwin evolution theory that believes that all of our living things came from microorganisms. At ayun din po yung same theory before na naniniwala na tayo na pong tao ay nagmula sa anong hayop? We came from? Yes, monkeys or apes. And that one, hindi po yung gummy bear, those are tardigrades. Tardigrades po is one of our microorganisms that have evolved through time and became the animals that we know nowadays. From the insects, mammals, reptiles, and amphibians. All the animals that belong to the kingdom Animalia. Again, they came from the microorganisms called the tardigrades.
an inheritance. Also,
All the living things that plays an important role to our science and technology. And that is an example of a spacecraft
by occupying the outskirts of our planet,
and the ISS, or International Space Station, a room for our astronauts on space and as big as a whole American football field and was built by 15 countries in the span of 10 years. And we also studied the ground,
centuries ago, we imagined
the atmosphere, and those are the astronauts during their spacewalk. A space telescope and the satellites. This is where we receive information about our universe, including the gas giant, the Jupiter. At the middle is the great red spots. Ganymede, the biggest moon of Jupiter. Io, the volcanic moon of Jupiter, as well as about the Galilean satellites, the icy rings of Saturn, and of course, Titan, the biggest moon of Saturn. Now let's dive into our marine biodiversity, to the rainforest. living things natin, they play an important role to balance and protect our ecosystem.
Wow!
Our smallest insects.
Oh,
But
the bee.
wait, what is happening to them? They are now slowly dying because of the different human activities that we do that cause global warming. The air pollution, wildlife decline, deforestation, water pollution, that results in a natural global phenomenon which is the climate change. And we all know that climate change may soon destroy our Earth. Pero bago po ito mangyari, let's go back first on how did our universe started based on science. And yes, I know you already have an idea about that theory. The start of our universe according to science. What do we call that? Yes, the Big Bang. Let's take a look. Well, Big Bang happens when those two elements, the hydrogen and helium, have combusted and became a single cell that happened 13.8 billion years ago from the tinyness that has become as the expansion of our universe na tinatawag po natin na, again, what do we call that? Yes, the Big Bang theory. From the Big Bang theory to the Pacific Ring of Fire, that is the old picture of Earth before. The Rosette Nebula. And from the very first sea creature, the jellyfish, to the largest sea creature, the blue whale, that have vanished and died because of the Ice Age period. And soon, all of our living things might die, even our stars. That one is the pillars of creation, the Eagle Nebula. The asteroids of our sun. Our sun will die when it reaches 5 billion years. It will become the red giant and its outer layer will engulf or iigupin po nito lahat ng katabing planeta kasama na ang Venus. When that happens, our Earth will be the closest to the sun and that will be the start of the end of life according to science. And that one is a total solar eclipse that will happen on April 20, 2042. And this is your realm of light, a brief history of life. Alright, thank you so much.